Hello Planet Mashers and welcome! If you're new to the channel, be sure to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you always know when I release a new video. February, of course, is Valentine's Day month, and there are a lot of ways you can add this love vibe to your bullet journal pages. And that's what we're doing today. I will share with you different ideas of dividers and headers and banners which you can use to bring some love to your bullet journal. So get all of your pink and reds and let's begin. So for this video, I'm using Archer and Olive B5 notebook and some Stabilo pens and markers. Everything I'm using will be linked in the description so you can check it out there. I thought for this video, I will kind of limit myself to the colors. I decided to just use pink, red, and black. Well, that's not exactly true. There is a little bit of purple there, but purple is theoretically pretty close to pink, so let's count it as one color. I am starting with some border ideas, and borders are great. I have a separate video with just unthemed border ideas you can check. Just to give you a heads up, the way you can use borders is by creating daily boxes, by decorating your lettering pieces, or generally by creating a theme. If you use same kind of borders on all of your bullet journal pages, it really kind of unifies them and creates a theme. And as you can see, borders like this are super easy to draw. It's basically just repeating a simple pattern or a difficult pattern. It's kind of up to you. But at the same time, they really bring a lot to the pages. Next thing I'm going to be showing you are some headers, and actually for Valentine's Day feel you can just create headers like you usually do but use pink or red colors. But in case you want to try something a little bit different, I have a few ideas for you here. And speaking of the ideas, I actually have a blog post in Archer and Olive blog where, apart from showing you all of these Valentine's Day themed elements, I also created a set of free printable stickers. Those will include some of the headers and some of the doodles from this video. So if you want to check that out and grab those printables, the post should be up soon. I will leave the link in the description. As soon as it's up, be sure to grab your free printable stickers. And once I was done with a few header ideas, it's time to just doodle away different Valentine's Day themed doodles. Mostly it's, as you can see, different things with hearts. I'll tell you a little secret here. Anything can be Valentine's Day themed as long as you add a heart to it. It didn't really fit here, but at some point I even had an idea of drawing a little cacti and just having a heart in its pot. And just like that, it's kind of a Valentine's themed doodle. I can't breathe without your Hope you guys enjoyed the video. Be sure to check out the free printables available on Archer and Olive blog, and I will see you in the next one. Keep bullet journaling and don't be a blob. Bye!